Well, good evening everybody. Camila here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all had an amazing weekend as we get ready for this new work week. Monday will be here in 24 hours. But on a brighter note, how many of you are waiting for Avengers the Endgame to come out on April 26th? I don't know about you, but I am ready for it. But anyway, if you have not already checked out my previous video, my Charming Charlie's haul, I will go ahead and link that down below. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that gray notification bell that will alert you to any new videos that I post. But today's video is going to be a Sally's and an Ulta haul. So this is a cumulative Ulta haul, and also I picked up a few items from Sally's because I could not resist. I mean, it was such a deal. I mean, $5 for a bag, you can't beat that. So I went ahead and picked up 3. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get right into this haul. I'm going to start off with the stuff that I picked up from Sally's. Like I said, I could not resist this. I mean, they were $5 and they were very cute. So I picked up 3 of them. And oh my God, you guys, when you see these bags, you're going to be like, they were worth it. So the first bag, it says lipstick. And this is a nice size bag. You can use this for work, play, going to the beach, whatever. But for $5 for this bag, oh my God, it was a good deal, and I wasn't going to walk away from it. So I picked up this one, and it says I love lipstick. I think it says love lipstick. Anyway, cute bag. Second bag I got is this one. Look at the detail on that. Oh my God, so cute. It's on the front and the back, and like I said, you can use these for work, play, going to the beach, whatever. But I just could not resist for $5. Such a good deal. And this bag, oh my God. Anyway, let me just go ahead and show you guys. It says this bag contains magic. So I got 3 bags for $15, and the retail price, I don't have the retail. I don't know how much these bags cost originally. Let me see if I can find the tag. No, I cannot. But anyway, $5. Oh my God. 3 bags, $5 each, $15. I could not beat that. Anyway, moving right along. So like I said, I went to Ulta, but it's an accumulation of stuff over a period of time. So I got 1, 2 bags. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start with the first bag from Ulta because it doesn't have a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead with that one. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 masks. 5 of them are from the Yes brand. And these masks were doing, Ulta had their 21 days of skincare. So I picked up 5 of the Yes masks, as you can see. I have the Recharging Greek Yogurt and Probiotic Super Eye Mask. I have one of those. I have 2 of Bye Bye Blackheads, and it comes in this one. 2 of those, as you can see. And then I have Bye Bye Bags and Dark Circles for the eyes. And then I have 2-step lip kit. Okay, and then I also have a mask for the feet, and this is by the brand Tony Moly. Okay, and then what else I got in here? And then I picked up this sample strivectin set. It was $35. You get the toning neck, you get an advanced retinol intensive night moisturizer, and you get also a sample of the intensive concentrate for wrinkles and stretch marks. And it comes in this box, and it was $35. The next items that I purchased from Ulta were, I had to support my girl. I'm not supporting Kylie, but I had to support my girl. I picked up 2 Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipsticks and lip liner, and it's the Jordy color. And if you all know what's going on with Kylie Jenner and Jordan Woods and Khloe Kardashian, anyway, I had to support my girl. I had to support Jordan Woods, so I picked up 2 of the Kylie, once again, the Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner in the Jordy color. So let me open up one. It comes with a liquid lipstick and a pencil. So this is how the packaging is. Typical Kylie insignia or logo. This is the color. So I'll go ahead and swatch it on my hand. That's such a pretty color. It's like a fuchsia to me. And then the pencil, let's see. The pencil is nice and creamy. Okay, I picked up 2 of the lip kits in the Jordy color. And then I purchased 3 more masks. This is from the brand Too Cool for School, and it is the Pumpkin 24 Karat Gold Mask for Vitality and Radiance. And then I picked up 2 more masks, and this is from the Miss Spa. It's an orange peel off mask. Advanced formulation, dermatologist tested. It's supposed to deep clean pores, removes impurities, exfoliate benefits of vitamin C. And I picked up 2 of them. The next Ulta bag. Once again, I have to go support Jordan Woods. So I picked up 2 of her eyelashes that she was 2 eyelashes by Allure, and one of them is Beach Please. And then I bought 2 Beach Please, and they're just very simple eyelashes, and I picked up 2 of those. And then also I picked up the Physicians Formula Butter Collection by none other than Casey Holmes, and it comes with 4 eyeshadows, a perfume, a lipstick, a highlighter, a bronzer, and 1 blush. You're probably wondering, well, do you think you'll be able to use the bronzer? But probably not, but I more than likely have to use it as an eyeshadow. But anyway, I picked up her collection. And then next, I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. And let me open that up so you can see the colors. And here are the colors. As usual, it comes with a double-sided brush. No, a 2-sided brush. And here are the colors. Pretty much warm tones with a few, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmers. Oops. Next, I picked up a Real Techniques sponge. This is a bigger sponge. This is for the body, but it can be used for the face as well. It's just a little bit bigger than the normal face size one. And then I picked up 3 products from Kopari. I purchased 2 of the Kopari coconut oil. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I screwed up. Anyway, I picked up the Kopari lip gloss. I have one, but I don't know what I did with it. I lost it. And then I have apparently a coconut face cream from Kopari, which I thought was a lip gloss. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'll figure it out. Oh, it's a lotion. Huh. But it says face cream. But anyway, I also purchased Kopari natural vegan aluminum free deodorant. And then once again, I purchased 2 lip glosses from Too Faced in the color Social Butterfly, which is in collab with Jordan Woods as well. Let me go ahead and open up one of these so you can see how it looks. And it's this nice pink glittery lip gloss. It kind of reminds me of Rihanna's lip gloss. But anyway, let me go ahead and swatch it for you. And it smells good. It smells like vanilla. You can use this as a topper over a lipstick if you want that glossy look. But like I said, I purchased 2 of those. And then I purchased some stuff from, is this? Okay. Anyway, I purchased some items from, I'm trying to think, did I get this? Anyway, I purchased a couple of items from Wet n Wild. And let's see, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 baked blushes, limited edition. And then I got 2 lip glosses, limited edition. And one is in Featherless and the other one is in Fly Girl. So let's go ahead and, well, no, I'm not going to open this up. But anyway, here's the 2 lip glosses from Wet n Wild. A nice pinky color. And then I have a neutral color. And then let me pick this brush up. Put it in a palette. Hold on a minute. Sorry. And the 3 blushes are, one is in Don't Flutter Yourself. The other one is Hummingbird Hype. And then the other one is Dare to Soar. That's a nice dark fuchsia color. Let me open up one. Let me open it so we can swatch it. Wet n Wild makes it so difficult to open up their products, but to keep their customers safe, why not? So here we go. Here's that one, and as you can see, has the cute little hummingbird on it. So let me go ahead and swatch it. Here's the hummingbird one. This is a baked blush. And then the next one I'm going to swatch is Don't Flutter Yourself. I'm not going to swatch the the hummingbird this time. And this is Flutter Yourself. Look at that. That's beautiful. A nice pinky baked blush color. Or peach, whatever. And then the last one is Hummingbird Hype. Hence the hummingbird on the packaging. Oh. Bear with me as I try to open up this package. Maybe I should have had a pair of scissors with me, but anyway. Moving right along. Okay. Here's this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. This is a gold baked blush. And you could probably top this baked blush off with a nice golden highlighter, whatever you prefer. But that's that. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty. All three are pretty, and they're all baked blushes, but you can even, I mean, if you want to, you could get away with using these three, using them as highlighters. But anyway, that concludes this Ulta Cumulative haul and Sally's. I hope to see you in the next video. Once again, if you have not already seen my Charmer Charlie's haul, I will go ahead and list that down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all have a good work week. And once again, I'll see you in the next video. Good night.